Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, April 20th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So, anyways, happy Easter. And I wanted to do a full top-down analysis on all the more popular US dollar pairs today, just so everybody can see my higher time frame perspective. And for me personally, I don't care whether you're trading on the 1 minute, 5 minute time frame. This daily, weekly time frame, monthly time frame analysis is such an important roadmap to tell you what direction to be trading on any of the sort of time frames. So on the monthly time frame, we got the end of a crescent right here, right? We got an A, B, C crescent right there. We got the end of a crescent right there. So we got one, two, three, four, and then five waves of five. So most likely we are now in a crescent to the last five waves up on the monthly. One thing to keep in mind is most crescents do take out the low of wave four before they proceed the uptrend. We got one down, we got one up. We are likely already in a wave C. I think this wave C target should be the low of wave 4, which would put us all the way down to about the 125 area, maybe even a little bit lower than that. Before we potentially maybe even end up continuing the higher time frame uptrend. So right now we are likely in a wave C to the downside, probably at least to the 125 area. And keep in mind that that probably is going to take the better part of a year to play out. So going down to the weekly time frame is where you can start to see the first impulsive move down wave A. You can see the one, two, three waves up wave B. Now you can see the downtrend that we are currently in for a wave C. And you can probably now start to understand why I've been so adamant about looking for shorts on shorter time frames. So going down to the daily time frame, now we're starting to see the trends within a trend. Now I can see five waves right here, which I think is a wave one. I can see one, two, three wave pullback up to the high of wave four, which I think is a two. That means we are almost definitely now in a wave three. Now wave threes are supposed to be the biggest, strongest wave of a trend, which, like I said, is why I've been so adamant about looking for shorts on sort of time frames because pretty much all the dollar pairs are in a wave three right now. Wave threes are the biggest, strongest wave of a trend, and a wave three trend is definitely not a trend that you want to be trading against on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, now we're starting to look at the wave three trend. Now it's definitely pretty slow last week because of the holiday, most likely, but I would be doing nothing whatsoever but looking for shorts in a downtrend now because I believe we are in a wave three of wave C to the downside. That is why I've been so adamant about one, two, three wave pullbacks, one, two, three wave pullbacks, one, two, three wave pullbacks to go short in a downtrend. So that's why if you go down to the 1 hour time frame, I have been saying this week that maybe a pullback is likely. But even if it does pull back, I would definitely assume that it's nothing more than an ABC correction to the downtrend. I personally am not looking for longs at all. I'm looking for shorts. I'm looking for three-way pullbacks. This right here, to me, looks like a really nice five-wave trend. And then we have impulsive up with a break, probably A. This is all sideways, probably B. And now we're in a wave C, probably. So I do think there's a good chance it's going to go up, but I definitely am not trading to the upside. I would rather wait for the short because this long is really unpredictable. Why? Because every single higher time frame is in a downtrend. So this looks like it should go up. Does it have to? No, it could go up just a little bit and just dive right back down, which is why I would prefer not to try to get trapped in a counter trend long, but I would and prefer to wait patiently for nice three-way pullback Fibonacci bounces to go short for the continuation of the wave three of wave C trend, likely because wave three is the biggest, strongest wave of a trend. You don't want, when the wave three trend is down, you don't want to be on the 1 hour time frame and below thinking that you should be going long because you are fighting a strong trend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.